Hi, Jeff Fulkerson here with Tidbits and Tin Snips. Today I want to talk to you about a problem I see people having when they're changing their little mandrels, their felt buffs and things on their rotary tool, the flex shaft, whatever you have. There's a couple different kinds of these, of course. There's all kinds of attachments, but there's two basic kinds. One is a kind that's permanently attached. So here's a felt wheel that's permanently attached to the mandrel. A lot of production jewelers like these. When you wear it out and you're finished with it, throw it away, get a new one. So here's one that has a screw top. Can you see that? And it screws into the mandrel. Now the problem is we've worn out our silicone wheel, right? And we need to change it. Here's what I see happening. First, people try to hold it really tight and all they do is turn it in their fingers. That's kind of hard to do. Then they take a pair of their good jeweler's pliers and grab this piece of steel and try and do it that way. Now, that'll work. It's just kind of awkward, and I don't want to wreck my pliers or the mandrel, but it'll work, okay? Sometimes, well, it's turning. It doesn't work well. Let's just put it that way. So I want to show you a way that's simple, really easy. Take your flex shaft or your rotary tool, whatever it is you have. Slide your mandrel into the chuck. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Now it's secure. Leave the chuck key in place. Now we can take our screwdriver. The mandrel can't go anywhere, so all we have to do is gently unscrew it. Piece of cake, easy peasy. Unscrew the mandrel, unscrew the screw out of the mandrel. Trying not to drop it. Get rid of that. I usually use two hands. Put it in the new silicone wheel. Whoops. Thread it back in there. Take our screwdriver. Now we can crank this bad boy down, get it nice and snug, and it's easy peasy, ready to go. Okay? Hope that helps.